Hi, I'm June from Planet June. I design cute and realistic nature-inspired crochet patterns and teach you the crochet techniques you'll need to make them for yourself. I'm just thrilled that my YouTube channel has passed 100,000 subscribers. Wow! I'm so glad you enjoy my tutorial videos and I want to make more for you, but I need your input. You know the kind of videos I make, short, clear, close-up tutorials for both right and left-handers that show you exactly how to do a specific crochet technique. So what's missing from my tutorial library? What would you like to see a tutorial for? Let me know in the comments. While I wait for my Silver Creator Award to arrive from YouTube, I thought I'd try crocheting my own silver play button to mark this occasion, so here goes. First I need to choose 2 shades of grey yarn. My yarn bobbins are so helpful for choosing colours from my stash. These two make a good pair. I'm starting this project by making a rounded rectangle for the reverse side of the button. So here's something that may surprise you. I'm left-handed. That's actually why I started making right and left-handed tutorial videos way back in 2010. I'm using foundation stitches so I don't need to make a foundation chain, but I'm also using linked stitches so there won't be any gaps between the stitches. And I also started with an increase to make the curved corner, so there's a lot going on at once here. As this isn't a tutorial, you can see how I really crochet when I'm not teaching. I'll increase at each end for a couple of rows to make the rounded corners. I'm using a small crochet hook because I want the finished fabric to be sturdy, not floppy. Okay, now the rounded corners are done, so I just need lots of straight rows to make the rectangle. I love how these linked stitches look. Now I just need to taper the other corners and the back is finished. I'm happy with the shape of the button, so now onto the front. The back was the easy part. Now I have to do the whole thing again, but with a triangular cutout in the middle. I'm shaping one side of the triangle with increases. Now I'm going to start with new yarn to fill in the space on the other side of the triangle. Back to my old yarn, and I can crochet across the top of both sides to join them back together and complete the tip of the triangle. From here, I just need to finish the rounded rectangle shape to match the back piece. Okay, now for the final step to crochet the front and back pieces together. I decided to edge my play button with the darker grey, so I'm crocheting a slip stitch edging along the edges of the rows of the front piece so I have a tidy edge to work into. And now I'll hold both pieces together and single crochet all around the edge to join them together. I'll use an invisible finish to finish the last space neatly. And now it's done! Look at that, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And here it is! It's a fitting way to commemorate 100,000 subscribers to my crochet channel, don't you think? In case you think I just magically created this button from nowhere, I'll let you in on a secret. This is actually my second attempt. I started out by figuring out how to make the triangular hole with some scrap yarn. When I was happy with that, I started crocheting the button. And my first version looked good until I stepped back and saw how tiny the triangle looked compared with the size of the button, so I realised I'd have to start again from scratch. That's just how the life of a designer goes. It's all about making prototypes and then refining them, and I'm much happier with my second version with the better proportions and contrast edging. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for subscribing to Planet June, and I'll have more crochet tutorial videos for you soon. Don't forget to comment with your suggestions for crochet techniques you'd like me to demonstrate for you. Maybe some of the techniques I used for my play button? Let me know in the comments. Bye for now, and happy crocheting!